so that 20 shot is in, nice and tight. If you don't know how nitrous shots work, you have the jet itself and the fastener to the intake. On this jet, if you unscrew this, which I guess I will just to show you, when you unscrew this, you gotta be careful first of all so you don't accidentally pull the jet shed thing, whatever, or chute thing, whatever it's called. It's right there. So you just put it in just like that. It may look a little confusing. I thought the pointy end was supposed to go in front, but that's how it goes. And this just clamps right over top of that. Or not clamps, it screws in. But you get the idea. And yeah, just make sure it's nice and tight. Try to make sure all the hose lines are not bent. Try to keep them as straight as possible. That's probably why I'm having some leaking issues. I had to kind of, fab up an awkward way to run all the line through here. This isn't like a true muscle car that has some hope for performance potential, but anyhow, actually I'm going to open up that bottle and then set this camera mount and we will be off. I do slightly wonder if I'm losing some potential because it's leaking. I mean, obviously that means not all pressure is coming out of the nozzle, Some of it's losing some slight pressure to the hose itself. So maybe by, upgrading the clamp, or not, what the hell am I saying? Maybe by making a bigger jet size, it might help. So this is the 20 horsepower gain or 21 nozzle jet thing, whatever it's called. This has a terrible turning radius. Arming, rolling from 5 in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was pretty crazy. It definitely had a kick that time. I don't know if you can see the button, but holy cow. I really want to see the footage on that. I feel like on the high end, getting closer to 45 is kind of letting off, but in the lower RPM with torque and stuff, it does well. And part of the reason I'm not too worried about how much nitrous I'm pushing is because, earlier this month I was getting readouts saying that my car is running rich. And with nitrous, that's what you want, because when you add more oxygen, you need more fuel. You can't just add a ton of oxygen through nitrous and then expect it to run fine, because in turn, with adding more oxygen without the fuel, you're basically running it super lean, which is really bad for the engine. So I'm not going to do this very much. Obviously, I'm going to turn off the bottle so I can save as much as I can, because it is still leaking. But, take that. Everyone who said, oh, this guy's going to blow up his engine. Well, they're wrong. I know what I'm doing. I know this isn't like a 10-second drag car. Okay, it's just a fun thing to do in your car. That, it's also like learning. So yeah, hopefully you see the results before me. If not, they're on screen now. I think this was fun, and thanks for watching. Hopefully you found it interesting, and this answers all questions that I know people are asking about the nitrous and stuff, because I've had a lot of people tell me, oh, you're gonna blow up your engine, or oh, you're gonna, you don't know what you're doing. I'm pretty confident with what I've done, and it's only a 20 shot, guys, 20 horsepower, no big deal. So anyhow, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.